Hey guys, it's me Mercy again. I'm back. Sorry that I haven't been putting up video for like few weeks now, and I've been a bit busy. Christmas coming, family back home, need something to spend at Christmas. So I've been a bit busy. That's why, but I'm back. I'm back really hot because I'm gonna be doing a lot of cooking these few days. I'm gonna be doing a lot of cooking. So, but today I'll be cooking tobagi soup. Tobagi soup is from the Lorma tribe in Liberia, but all Liberians eat tobagi soup. And tobagi soup, the thing about tobagi soup, the secret about tobagi soup that people don't know is tobagi soup, it make your tummy very flat. It make your tummy very flat. You always look good, and it give you good shape. It make your body very nice. You always look young. I mean, tobagi soup is one of the best soup in Liberia. We call this kettle in Liberia. We call this kettle, but it's actually the garden egg, the little one. It's the garden egg too, but the little one, and it's very bitter, and it's very good in the tobagi soup. I mean, I wish you guys were here to have some. It's very nice. So this tobagi soup, if you really want to get like I mean flat tummy. You see my tummy, tobagi is tobagi that making me look young every day because tobagi is one of my favorite soup in Liberia. I'll be cooking dry kidney, and I'll be cooking the garden egg. I'm cooking two of these. This one is my first time seeing this. It's my first time seeing it. I went to buy this yesterday, and I saw this. So I just like got one to try it. I don't know how it's gonna be like, but it's the same garden egg. So I will be cooking that, and I'll be cooking cow skin in my tobagi soup, and I'll be cooking dry fish, but we call this dry fish, we call it bony fish. So I'll be cooking, I'll be putting some bony fish in my tobagi soup. So this is the bony. You will need pepper. This pepper is very hot. This pepper is very hot. So I'll be cooking like, for me, I eat a lot of chili. So I'll be cooking maybe 5. Some people cook just 1 because this chili is very hot. But for me, I like hot food. So I'll be cooking like 5 of these. This beef is already clean. I bought it the last time. It was in the fridge. I bought it the last time, and I cleaned it. Everything I put in the fridge. So it's already ready to cook. So I'm going to be putting it in a pot so that I will start cooking my tobagi soup. Okay. After cooking your tobagi soup, you will need the tobagi oil. It's special oil for the tobagi. It's not just like any kind of red oil or any oil you just put in your tobagi soup. So tobagi soup have tobagi oil. Tobagi oil is different kind of, it's the same red oil, but this meant especially for the tobagi soup. So I will be needing that, and this is the tobagi soda. The soda, this one is like country soda for your tobagi soup. And then after putting this soda, but I'm gonna show you guys later on how I'm gonna put it, so you will know what I'm doing. Yeah, so after you put this soda, and then you put this one. Okay, So I'm gonna put the meat in the pot. I've already put the meat in the pot, and I will be like putting it on the stove to cook it, and then from there we will see what next. Guys, stay tuned and eat some of the tobagi. It's gonna be hot. So guys, now it's about time for me to open the garden egg. So I'm gonna open the garden egg and then put it in the bowl to blend it with my hand. I just want to show you how I do it. So take the water up. I like the water. Like I said today, this is my first time getting it, and it's the right one. It's the little garden egg too. So this is gonna be very better. It's the real tobagi, because back home the real tobagi you cook it with the little garden egg, the little one that I showed you today. Guys, just blend it the way you want it. You don't have to do it like the way I'm doing it, but you just blend it the way you want it. Okay. That's it. That's it. Just blend. That's the meat. I just took it out. Put it there. Yeah. So. And put it in. I didn't blend it. I pounded it with my little mother, because we are cooking African food here, guys. We're not gonna blend anything. I would beat it. Guys. So I just beat it in my background way. I've already pounded it and pounded it very well. So that's the little garden egg that I showed you guys today. This is it. hot. The other meat inside. Like 2 more Maggi. I've already put 3 Maggi first to season the meat, and yeah. So we're gonna be adding like 2 more Maggi because this is just a little sweet. It's not that much, so I'm not cooking too much Maggi today. So we're going to leave it to boil, and then I'll be showing you what next we'll be adding. Okay. So this is the soup. We have the oil. I haven't put in the oil yet. I haven't put in the oil. I have not put the oil in yet. So this is it without the oil. I'm just about to put the oil in now. It's very, very, very delicious. So, you know, in my country, in Liberia, we don't drink slim tea. So this is our own slim tea. We cook this soup very nicely, and we eat it. It cleans your stomach. It cleans your system very well. Adding it now. I'm not cooking everything because it's too much. So yeah, that's it. And after there, you stir it. Stir it very well. Make sure the oil go into the soup nicely. I'm going to show you after. So we just leave it to boil a bit, and then I'll be putting the soda, the tobagi soda inside. So see, with the tobagi oil, the oil go into the soup nicely. Because if it was fresh oil, you're going to see the difference. The oil set over the soup. If it's fresh oil, if it's not tobagi oil, but if it's tobagi oil, the soup goes like this. Come, let's eat. Come, let's eat, guys. I'm gonna be putting my tobagi soda in this little bowl. I'm gonna be putting my tobagi soda in here because I'm gonna put a little water inside so that the soda will melt properly. I don't cook too much soda though. Yeah. So that's the soda. That's the conscious soda. That's the tobagi soda. So this one really good for your stomach. It cleans your stomach very well. It cleans your system. You go to the toilet very freely. So I'm gonna be adding a little bit of water inside. Very good. Okay, my rice is ready. Okay, so this is it. That's it. soup. And after that, this soda I'll show you guys today. The white soda, you put it in. Make the flavor very, very nice. Very delicious. Look what it's doing. So that's the tobagi soup. I'm gonna be finishing my video here today. So thank you guys so much for watching the video from start to end. So this is how you cook your tobagi soup. Anytime you want to cook your tobagi soup, just click Mercy Tobagi and you will get to know how to cook tobagi soup. It's very easy and simple, and the soup is very, very good. This soup is very, very good in the sense that it clean your system. It makes you very, very beautiful. You always look neat whenever you're eating this soup. Like I said, we don't have slim tea in our country. This is our slim tea. We eat this food. We eat a lot of chili. This is our slim tea. Our food is our slim tea. That's why we always looking good every day. So stay tuned for my next video. Like I was telling you guys today, I've been a bit busy. That's why you guys are not seeing me. But now I am back, and I'm back with more cooking video. Encourage me by subscribing, like my video, comment down below whatsoever thing that I'm doing that you want to have some idea. Just comment down below and ask me any questions. I will be very, very pleased to answer any question from you guys. So I'm gonna be finishing here today, but I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for taking your precious time out to watch me. Thank you.